Brienne here from Hooked on Homemade Happiness. Welcome to my channel and welcome to this tutorial for how to crochet an I-cord. This is perfect for maybe a drawstring or for a strap for a bag or a top. It's really easy once you get going. So to make your I-cord, you can just use whatever yarn you're using for your project and an appropriate hook size. For this tutorial, I am going to be using worsted weight yarn and a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. So we'll get our yarn on our hook, and you can start with a chain 3. And now we're going to get some loops on our hook. So I'm going to insert my hook into the second chain from my hook. So here's the first one. I'm going to insert my hook here into the next one and yarn over and pull up a loop. And I'm going to keep that loop on my hook. Now I'm going to insert my hook into the third chain from my hook and pull up a loop. So also note that if you wanted to make your I-cord wider, you can just add chains and do the same method. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull my hook out of these next 2 loops. But I'm going to hold on to them because I don't want to lose them. So I'm going to take my middle finger and my thumb. I'm going to grab these 2 chains and pull my hook out. Now I'm going to get my yarn and I'm going to chain 1 on this first loop of my hook. So I'm going to get my yarn. Don't pull too tight because you don't want to pull these loops that I'm holding with my thumb. I'm going to chain 1. Now I'm going to insert my hook into this unworked loop, this next one in the middle. And chain 1. Now I'm going to insert my hook into the third loop, the last one, and chain 1. So there's row 1 of your I-cord. So I'm going to repeat that again. So I'm going to remove my hook from the last 2 loops, loops 2 and 3 on my hook. I'm going to hold on to them really tight because I don't want them to undo. I'm going to grab my working yarn here and chain 1. Now I'm going to insert my hook into that middle loop, grab the yarn, and chain 1. And then now I'm going to insert my hook into this third loop and chain 1. So again, I still have 3 loops on my hook. And this is what I'm going to be doing for the entire I-cord. So again, we still have those 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to hold on to the last 2, pull my hook out of those last 2 here, and then grab my yarn and chain 1 with that first loop. Insert your hook into that middle loop, chain 1, and then insert your hook into the last loop here and chain 1. So you're going to repeat this for the length of your I-cord. Just repeat this until your I-cord is the length that you were looking for. And to tie it off is I pulled this loop through the other 2 of my hook. So I just kind of pulled them through like that to finish it off. And then I cut my yarn and pulled that through to finish off my I-cord. And then that was it for the I-cord. And that is it for how to crochet an I-cord. As you can see, these are perfect for straps and drawstrings and things. I love using these for straps on bags because they're nice and stretchy, but still very, very sturdy. And they're not going to stretch as much as if you were to just do a chain or a row of single crochet. It's much sturdier than that. And it works up fairly quickly once you get going, once you get into the rhythm of it all. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you find lots of uses for how to crochet an I-cord. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.